This is a radar-indicated threat. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Wright County, northwestern Carver County, until 2 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mayer, or 23 miles south of Buffalo, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waconia, Delano, Watertown, Mayer, Hollywood, New Germany, and Lake Waconia. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday for portions of central and east-central Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver and Wright. The National Weather